Good morning, everybody. David here at Scale Models Midwest. Welcome back to the workbench. Hope you're doing well. Today is Friday, and I've got 3 kits I'm working on. One will be in a separate video, the other 2 in this one. This one is the finished product. This is the AMT Chopped T Coupe. As you can see from this kit that I've got back behind it, I did it sort of like that, but I deviated by using Z-Man's 19-inch and 23-inch rims, front and rear. He always puts out good stuff, and I thought that these steelies look really cool on this kit, and I was going to use them. The engine, I could not find the 1 valve cover for the engine, so I decided to use a couple for my parts box, which turned out okay. And triple carbs with the carb hats. One issue I came up with it is, obviously I talked about it in previous videos, the chrome is really subpar on this one, but it's not a make or break kit. You can always strip chrome and re-chrome it if you want using all clad or chrome Molotov pen, or go murdered out, just de-chrome it, paint it whatever the color of the body is. I just said I'd leave it as it is because I wanted to get this finished and up on the shelf. So as you see here, the radiator grill surround, the chrome there is definitely not good. There was enough not good chrome stuff on here. I decided to use just a small portion of them. Again, the carb tops, the lights, and the headers, and then the taillights out the back. Those all I really used. Everything else either came from Z-Man or I painted semi-gloss black, and I'm glad I did that. I used just 3 decals, the Mueller Speed and Custom decals. I have a coworker whose last name is Mueller, so I thought I'd have a little bit of fun and put the decals on to kind of give a shout out to her. So Jess, hope you're doing well. Top decal, I used it. Used the orange tinted glass, and ultimately not a bad kit. Up front is where I see the issues that I caused. One, I'm gonna be taking this apart a little bit and repositioning the right headlamp because I mounted it just a little bit back of the frame from the front left, so that's an easy fix. What's not so much an easy fix is right here. The radiator grill shell snapped when I tried to cut it off the tree using just regular snippers, and I can fix that. I think all I have to do is just pop the grill insert out, maybe some CA glue to get that corner piece in, and then put it back together. So nothing big, nothing major. Have at it. If you've got this kit, if you're interested in building it, give it a go. There are so many different versions you could build on this. You could take this chassis, this engine, and all that, and put the T-body, not this one, but the regular T-body on it, and a pickup bed if you wanted to, open, closed, you name it. I mean, there's a lot of variety on this kit. So ultimately, that one, it's not a bad kit in that regard. Just watch out for the chrome, and I think you'll do just fine. So with that, this one's going to go up on the shelf after I get those little things fixed. And in the meantime, I'll show you also my in progress on the Tony Stewart Pontiac. I had to go out and do a paint run to get some gloss gray for the chassis and the roll cage, and get that going. So let's go ahead and show you what I got going on with that kit. Okay, so quick little update. I went on ahead and took the right headlamp off and the grill off. Tried to get the corner crack to, kind of go together. Even though I took this out, put it back in, it did not want to stay in place. So I did use some CA glue and some accelerator. So the crack is not nearly as noticeable, but it's still there. I was more concerned about the headlamp. They do sit level now. Looks a lot better, I think. So I'm going to call this one done. My daughter took one look at it and thought really cool with the red rims setting off on the gunmetal gray. So I think I made the right choice doing those. This is going to go up on my shelf unless she decides to put it on her shelf along with her American Girl dolls. Who knows? She just loves the kits that I build, and we're actually getting ready to put together some kits that she likes. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Got a couple of videos I'm working on this weekend, so be looking out. I got a NASCAR group build update, as well as under 1,000 group build model kit choice. So Be looking out for those videos. Have a great weekend. Okay, so Larry Landis sent me pictures of 2 builds that he's had. This first one is of the Black Widow. If you've never built the Black Widow before, build it. I've never built it before. I will. It is just a neat little simple kit to build. Builds up nicely. I think the tires are plastic if I remember correctly. But man, this is just such a cool little kit to have on the shelf. Great job, Larry. Thanks for sending it. And then he sends me this as well. This is the Sizzler. And my God, look at the detail on this thing. I mean, this is just awesome. I love this kit, man. Larry, you continuously build great kits. And again, thank you for sending that to me. As always, please, if you're watching these videos and you'd like to share your builds, please email them to me. My email is in the description. I'm more than happy to share those with everybody else out there. Just send me the pictures and we'll post them. Thanks, man. Larry, as always, take care, brother.